Dear students, yesterday we talked about our next poem, Keeping Quiet. Keeping Quiet, this poem is written by Pablo Neruda. In this poem, he talks about the three main things. First of all, the poet talks about peace and unity. Second, he talks about introspection. Introspection means self-analysis. According to the poet, there is requirement of self-analysis. And the third one is mutual understanding among human beings. In his poetry section, the poet here urges everyone to keep quiet, to break the barriers of language and unite with one invisible tune, and that is silence. Today we are going to continue our next extract. Look at here that those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victories with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. Yesterday I told you that if we be still, अगर हम बिल्कुल चुप रहेंगे, then at that time we shall be able to introspect mistakes and wrongs done. Okay, and today look at here, those who prepare green wars and wars with gas and wars with fire. Here the poet condemns the people with green wars. Green wars means the people, those who are preparing green wars. Green wars means biological weapons and creators of pollution. Okay, means those who are creating the environment and those who are polluting the environment and those who are against the natural environment. So here green wars refers to biological weapon or the creators of pollution. Wars with gas, wars with fire. Wars with gas and wars with fire. Fire means atomic war. Victories with no survivors. What happen if the war they become victorious? वो जीत तो जाएंगे but with no survivors left. उस एन्जॉयमेंट का, उस विक्ट्री का क्या बेनिफिट अगर उस विक्ट्री को कोई भी एन्जॉय करने वाला नहीं हो, बिकॉज वॉर ऑलवेज हैज अ नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट. ओके, सो दोज हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द ग्रीन वॉर्स, those who are preparing for wars with gas, wars with fires, what they will get? They will get nothing, because if they get victory but with no survivors left. Now what is the requirement? Would put on clean clothes. The poet mocks at the victory of those people, हंसता है उन पर, उनका मजाक बनाता है, who get victory over destruction, because war always has a result of destruction. So here the poet asks them, he appeals them to leave the path of destruction and join the group of silence. And there is the requirement for them to put on clean clothes. Here clean clothes refers to, it symbolizes the purity and serenity, कि हमें किस चीज़ की रिक्वायरमेंट है? प्योरिटी को गेन करने की. हमें वुड पुट ऑन क्लीन क्लोथ्स, कि हमें अब क्या करना चाहिए? एक साफ क्लीन क्लोथ्स पहनने चाहिए. मीन्स वी शुड हेयर वाइट एंड क्लीन क्लोथ सिंबलाइजेज द प्योरिटी एंड सेरेनिटी. एंड वॉक अबाउट विद देयर ब्रदर्स इन द शेड डूइंग नथिंग. वॉक विद अदर्स डूइंग नथिंग. Nothing meaning anything negative, and doing self introspection. Means now there is the requirement of walking with their brothers in the shade, कि वहाँ पर अपने घरों में बैठकर अपने ब्रदर्स के साथ वॉक करना है. and doing nothing, कुछ नहीं करना, only self introspection करना है. self introspection, self analysis is required there. Okay, now move towards the next extract. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. As look at here, the poet wants to tell us that what he wants actually should not be confused. poet here wants to say us that we should not be confused. हमें confused नहीं होना चाहिए with total inactivity. Total inactivity means he doesn't want the total inactivity. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो बिल्कुल inactivity मांगता है. He wants some activity there. Life is what it is about. Life कैसी है? जैसी चल रही है. I want no truck with death. And he doesn't want any death there in life. So here the poet wants to tell us that he warns us that his message of silence should not be confused with total inactivity. And here he further clears us that, और क्या मैसेज देता है, क्या क्लियर करता है, that his message does not have any affinity with death even. वो ये नहीं कहता आपको कि आप डेथ के रास्ते पर चले जाओ, इनएक्टिविटी हो जाओ, बिल्कुल टोटल इनएक्टिव. नो, he wants us to stop for a while. थोड़ी देर रुकने के लिए कहता है. Feel the calmness, feel the peace, tranquility, so that a positive introspection is done. So here is the requirement to love, laugh and love. Okay, so move towards the next extract. If we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving, for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness. Look at here. First, I will explain you 4 lines. What? We human beings are single-minded. हम हमेशा किसके बारे में सोचते हैं? अपने बारे में. We are always busy in achieving our goals, our aims and completing personal responsibilities. So, and we never stop a while to evaluate ourselves. हम कभी नहीं रुकते, अपने आप को evaluate नहीं करते and understand ourselves. Like the fishermen who were busy there to harm the whales, the salt gatherers who were busy there collecting the salt. So look at here, we human beings, how we are? We are single-minded, we are always busy in achieving our goals. And we never stop a while to evaluate ourselves, to understand ourselves. We never understand that we shall never be able to come out of these desires and achievements. कि हम कभी भी इससे बाहर नहीं निकल सकेंगे. So, look at here. For once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness. So, what would happen if we could stop a while from these? We would have understand the real purpose of our life, of never understanding ourselves, of threatening ourselves with death, because we always have a fear of death in our mind. हम सोचते हैं हमारी डेथ से पहले हम ये काम भी कर लें, ये कंप्लीट भी कर लें. Of threatening ourselves with death, हम अपने आप को किससे डराते हैं? डेथ से. Perhaps, look at here, that if we could stop a while from these using, we would have understood the real purpose of our lives and ourselves. अगर हम थोड़ी देर के लिए रुक जाएंगे, थोड़ी देर के लिए साइलेंट हो जाएंगे, at that time we would understand ourselves, we would introspect ourselves. Introspect means self analysis. और ये कब होगा? If we wait for something and if we be keep quiet. अगर हम बिल्कुल चुप हो जाएंगे. Okay, and here the poet wants to tell us that he doesn't want inactivity. वो total inactivity नहीं चाहता. That you can move to your death. No, he doesn't want that. He wants us to stop for a while. He wants us to understand silence, and he wants us to not to threaten ourselves with death. So rather we go on with the fear of death calculation, how much of our dreams and wishes will be achieved. अगर हम डेथ के बारे में ही सोचते रहेंगे, उसको ही कैलकुलेट करते रहेंगे, then how our dreams and wishes will be achieved. Okay, so look at here the next extract. Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. We are always on move. हम हमेशा ही चलते रहते हैं. We all are busy in accomplishing our work and go on rushing in our lives. हमेशा भागते रहते हैं. So here is the requirement to wait for a while, to learn something from the earth. हमें क्या करना है? अर्थ से कुछ नई चीज़ें सीखनी है. Perhaps the earth can teach us. Perhaps शायद कौन हमें सिखाएगा? Earth. Because the poet has taught us through the example of earth, which at one season may look as if it dead. क्योंकि सीजन्स अर्थ पर क्या है? डिफरेंट सीजन्स आते हैं, स्प्रिंग, ऑटम, विंटर, बट इट नेवर रिमेन्स द सेम. हर बार ये सेम नहीं रहती, फ्लक्चुएट होता रहता है, चेंजेस आते रहते हैं. सो द पोएट वॉन्ट्स टू टीच अस थ्रू द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अर्थ, which at one season may look as if dead but comes back with life in another season. एक सीजन तो क्या हो जाता है? बिल्कुल साइलेंट. एवरीथिंग सीम्स डेड. सभी चीज़ें बिल्कुल डेड लगती हैं. एंड लेटर प्रूव्स टू बी अलाइव. और अगले ही मोमेंट, अगले ही सीजन वो डेथनेस, वो डेडनेस किस में चेंज हो जाती है? इनटू लाइफ. So likewise the same what we have to do, our life will also bear certain meaning when we walk on the right path. और हमारा right path क्या है? Introspecting in silence. कि हमें क्या करना है? Introspect करना है silence में, चुप करके बैठ करके अपने आप को self analyze करना है. In the last two lines the poet leaves us to introspect as if he himself has gone through the same. Means he wants to give us a message that we should keep quiet, we should wait for a while, and he wants to give us the lesson from the example of the earth. Okay, now move towards the last two lines. Now I will count up to 12. As I described you earlier that this 12 has different meaning. Okay, and now look at here. Now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Here the poet wants to tell us that in the last two lines the poet leaves us to introspect. वो हमें क्या कह रहा है? That I am going from here. You sit, keep quiet here and count up to 12 and introspect yourself. और क्या करना है? वेट करना है, बैठना है. एंड द पोएट इज सेइंग दैट ही इज गोइंग एंड यू शुड इंट्रोस्पेक्ट योर सेल्फ. यू शुड मेक अ एनालिसिस ऑफ योर सेल्फ. दिस इज इट विद द पोएम. थैंक यू.